This week, our letter that we are working with is letter R, and R makes the sound R. Some of the times they will like to add an so they'd like to say R, R for the sound, but make sure you help them remember that R makes the sound R. So when we form capital R, we make a straight line, high then low, pick up our pencil, sideways rainbow, and then a ramp. So we go high to low, sideways rainbow, then a ramp. And lowercase r, we go straight down and race back up to catch the rainbow. That's how we form R. So the students can pick an option to practice capital R and lowercase r, and then send me a picture through Dojo, but they can always make their own option if they'd like. So our first option is build capital R, lowercase r with Play-Doh. Make sure that they build a few of them to get some repetition in. And then the next one is a little game that we like to play. It's called Swat the Letter, or you can also do Swat the Sound. So you can just take a piece of paper, put a bunch of different letters on it. A good idea would maybe put the letters that we've already learned, but then maybe add some more in there too that we haven't worked on yet. Or you could even put all the letters of the alphabet for a little bit more of a challenge. Make sure you put a few R's in there though, a few more R's than just one. And then have them swat the R's, or you could tell them the sound. So for example, you could say, you could go or you could actually say R. And then they could make capital R or lowercase r with stickers, or they can also finish their handwriting page.